Happy Sabbath everyone. It's November 23, 2024 and it's a beautiful Saturday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, challenges and trials which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful and exciting. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan magpasalamat doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and sa mga marites doon sa paligid natin. Shoutout doon kina Glenda, Glenn Snow and Coachy, Margie Cranes, Cecil Boris, Mama Lou, Nessie Greffrins, Luis and Susan, Joel and Hani Pistolante, Idol Robbie Cortez, Dima David, Angie Sarmiento, Elizabeth Ibarra, Mabel Andres, Ida Araso, Elima Agla, and kay Eds My Loves, and then sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. And also, blessed happy birthday to Rodolfo Suico Jr. of Tipanoy, Iligan City. Happy birthday, Brad. Replace of the day natin po is for every breath you take in is divine and every breath you give out is a prayer. Let it be of thankfulness and love that may your days be joyful and blessed. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, happy Sabbath, everyone.